In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily contact Facebook customer service. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and all we have to do now is just go to some place where we have a problem. Let's say I have an issue with my profile. So let's say I'm trying to unpin that song from my profile, but I can't do that. So the easiest way to contact customer service is just take your device in hand and then just quickly shake it, being on the page where you got a problem. So just shake it, and the pop-up comes up where we can report a problem. I can tap right here, then it will ask if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. The best way, as for me, is to choose include in report, and then we'll be taken to the page where we can describe our problem. Let's say I can't unpin song from my profile, please help me. And also, as you can see, the screenshot of our profile page has already been attached to that report, and all we have to do now is just tap at send to send that report to customer service. That's how you can easily contact Facebook customer service.